What's up everyone, I'm Jessie and I'm here in the Harley-Davidson garage. Today I'm going to show you all the different types of luggage that you can install on your Pan America motorcycle. In order to tackle the various demands of the touring adventures you may take on your Pan America 1250 or Pan America 1250 Special, Harley-Davidson offers the Sport, Aluminium and Adventure systems. These were designed by Harley-Davidson alongside Pan America, so these bags meet the top quality fit, finish and durability that's standard from the Milwaukee-based brand. Let's start with the tank bag. This bag is useful for everyday riding because it keeps your essentials within reach. With its 8-litre volume and 5-pound capacity, there's plenty of room for your personal items. A series of pockets and dividers help you keep things organised, and the bag's orange liner makes it easier for you to see inside. There's also a separate compartment designed to hold an auxiliary lithium battery with a port to weave a cable through so you can keep your devices charged. Since the bag was designed specifically for the Pan America, the fit is superb. The bottom is co-molded to fit over the plastic cover on top of the fuel tank for a secure fit. There's only one leave-behind strap that can be tucked away beneath the motorcycle seat when the bag is removed. Next, the Sport Luggage line is designed primarily for on-road touring adventures. The line consists of side cases and a top case that are both formed of smooth and durable glass-reinforced plastic material. The side cases are sold as a set and carry 22 pounds each. The right side case has a 36-litre volume and the left case has a 40-litre volume. Top your setup off with the 35.5-litre top case and you can hold an additional 22 pounds of gear. Latches and watertight gaskets ensure your gear is secure and dry in any of these 3 Sport Luggage cases. The locks are also key matched to the motorcycle ignition key for convenience. Mounting the side cases onto your Pan America is simple. The motorcycle chassis has integrated mounting points, so there's no need for extra mounting hardware. Just use the latch system for installation and removal. The top case does require a mounting plate, but installing and removing the top case is easy. If you want to simplify packing and unpacking, pair the Sport Luggage with the Sport Side Case Liners or the Sport Top Case Liner. These liners are made of water-resistant material and include comfortable carrying handles and D-rings for optional shoulder straps. If you need luggage that's strong enough for the challenges of off-road riding, then shop for the Aluminium luggage line. Aluminium is not only lightweight, it is also extremely durable, making it fantastic for traveling off the beaten path. The right and left aluminium side cases are sold together and have 22-pound capacities each. The right side has a 37-litre volume and the left has a 45-litre volume. That's enough room for camping gear or any other essentials. The top case can also be loaded up with 22 pounds of gear and it offers 38 litres of storage space. Designed in collaboration with SW Motec, the luggage features a welded, watertight construction, watertight gaskets, secure latches, and corrosion-resistant stainless steel hinges. There's also integrated handles for easy carrying and bungee eyes that allow you to strap down additional gear on all of the aluminium cases. For the side cases, a single key locks each one closed and locks it to its mount. A single key locks the top case lid and also locks the case to its mount. Unlike the Sport Luggage, the aluminium side cases require a side case mounting system and the top case requires a top case mounting plate, which can all be purchased separately. All of the aluminium cases come in either a clear anodized finish or a black anodized finish, both of which protect the luggage from oxidation. Maybe you're heading way out in the middle of nowhere and need something that'll keep your belongings completely dry. The Adventure Soft Saddlebags and Adventure Duffel Bag are the luggage to bring along. These bags are made of waterproof material and have a roll top closure that makes them great for wet weather conditions. There's even waterproof zippers used on the outside pockets. The Adventure Soft Saddlebags each offer 25 litres of storage space, but can be cinched down and compressed to reduce bulk. The saddlebags are sold as a pair and have universal mounting straps that secure the bags to the included saddlebag support bracket. You will still need the side case mounting system, which is sold separately. With its 40-litre volume and 20-pound capacity, the Adventure Duffel Bag can hold a lot of gear. It also can be packed down tightly thanks to the roll-top design and the compression straps. The duffel bag has reflective material to enhance visibility in low light conditions. Secure it directly on the passenger pillion or maximize your luggage space and secure the duffel down to the passenger pillion in front of a hard case. For these and any other genuine Harley-Davidson products, visit harleydavidson.com or any authorized Harley-Davidson dealer. That's it from me, your favorite Australian. I'll see you again next time.